One of the things I like to talk to my clients about is creating little steps and little habits that can really add up and make a big difference over time. My name is Gaylene Gomez. I'm the owner of Compass Rose Nutrition and Wellness, and I help women really boost their energy and lose unwanted weight with simple eating and lifestyle changes. Now, in this free guide that I have for you today, it's called Healthy Daily Habits. I'm going to help you think through some of the things that you can really start implementing that will make a big difference. We're going to be talking about three main categories: managing your stress, moving your body, and getting good quality sleep. If you've been following me for some time, you'll know that these are actually included in my four pillars of health, but we're going to dive into them more in depth in today's training. So I want you to go ahead and download this guide where we're going to talk about really managing your stress and things that you can do to approach that. Stress is such a huge topic in our current society, and it's something that I want you to feel like you have a plan to manage. Let's go over a couple of the stress management and self-care tools. So first one is eating a balanced diet. So important is to nourish our bodies. The second one is using deep breathing exercises. The third one is progressive muscular relaxation. The next one is keeping a gratitude journal. Taking a break from media, television, movies, newspapers, social media. Get connected. Laughter. Connect with nature. Get in touch with your creativity, random acts of kindness. I have actually more and more pages of topics where we're going to talk about moving your body and really diving into our health. This is a free guide that I have for you. You can actually go download it right now inside the Nutrition Resource Library. To get access to this, you're going to use the link that I've provided here with the video, enter your name and email address to sign up. You're going to get instant access where you can head on in there and actually download all kinds of guides. There's other journals included. There's recipe books included. There's seasonal tips included, everything you really need to start creating these healthy habits. So it's my free gift to you. I hope you take advantage, dive in, enjoy, and I cannot wait to hear what you think.